Now in this video, we're going to be looking at how to make payments using Stripe for international audience outside Nigeria. Click on the Explore Programs button in order to select the course and institution of your choice. All you have to do is to view details to go ahead. You see the institution details and then you would also see the program intake. Create an application, and if you meet the requirements, go ahead to proceed with application. Now this is where you select the session of your choice. Select the best option that fits you and go ahead to the next step. Now fill in your document details like your passport, bachelor's degree certificate, the transcript, your resume or CV, and then click on the next button. You're going to select the Stripe option as your payment method. You see the application fee breakdown. All you have to do is to click on the next button to go ahead. Now this is where you fill in your card number, the expiration date, security code, the country you are filling your details from, and then you can also fill in your email address, mobile number, and full name. Once you have filled in all those details, all you have to do is to click on the Pay Now button. After you have successfully made payment, your document will be reviewed and submitted. Then you patiently wait for the decision from the institution.